In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Mini Wireless Door/Window Sensor SiXMINICT2A. This sensor is compatible with these panels and requires one 3-volt CR2 battery available for purchase on myadt.com. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your control app. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your command panel or your touchscreen. Next, you'll access the battery compartment by simply taking the cover off of the mounted sensor. To do this, press the front of the cover down to release it. Then pull it away and off the sensor to expose the battery compartment. You may hear a tamper tone or see an error message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, remove the used battery. Wait 10 seconds. Then insert the new battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly, with the positive end pointing toward the center of the device. Aligning with the side notches on the sensor, slide the front cover back onto the mounted sensor until it clicks into place. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your command panel and enter the appropriate sequence for your panel. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Mini Wireless Door/Window Sensor. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with an agent.